Quick little recap here. AM Anglers and I decided to do a Dollar Tree lure build challenge with each other. He built a green sunfish segmented swim bait that I'm going to unbox and put to the test on this video right here. And I made him a green sunfish segmented swim bait. Well, I guess it's more like a square bill, and furthermore it's more like a wake bait. But he got that from me in the mail, and he is going to be testing out this lure that I built on his channel. And on my channel, I'm going to be testing out the lure that he built. Alright, that out of the way, let's get to unboxing. Alright, Adam, we got the bait. It is secured, but maybe not for long. I don't know, the pike seem to be biting, so I'm a little bit worried it's going to get chomped too soon. Hopefully the line doesn't get snapped off. Knock on wood. But man, it looks good. I'm loving it so far. Let's take it out on the water. We're on. Oh my God, we were on. Oh my God, we were on. Adam, we were on, buddy. Oh my God. That took like little to no time. Holy buckets. It didn't, the hooks, man, the hooks. I'm sure they are very good hooks, but it did not stick. Oh my gosh. Pretty impressive there. All right, we're running a little strange topwater issue. I think we got tangled. Dead fish action. There we go. It sorted itself out. Just toss back in here to see if we can't get that pike to bite again. I hope so. Man, the action on this is really good, Adam. I have to tell you. A big bait. A big bait for sure. If this wasn't so shallow, I'd be getting crushed. But I'm trying to cast near this like cheese over here, because I've been seeing some action up in there. Like if I had a frog, that's what I'd be using, but like I said, I got crushed on that second cast, so I'm gonna keep going. I swear I was on. Certain sticks. She got buried in the yuck. Gotta clean her off. Weighing in at 1 8/10 of an ounce, this is a behemoth. This is a monster bait. Well, for me anyway. I don't usually throw lures that are this large, and it also is about 6.5 inches long, roughly. I think I'm going to be casting a while before I'm landing on the fish that's going to be munching on this bad boy. But I am determined. I am looking forward to seeing what's going to end up biting this. I'm just going to be casting and retrieving for a while As you can see, I'm popping around from spot to spot, just hunting down that fish that's gonna munch on this lure from AM Anglers. But it's gonna happen. I know it will. Right at the shoreline. Adam, you did it, man. It will work. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let's get this thing unhooked and a quick weight on her. Slap her belly and send her back. And sticky, sticky hooks, my friend. Sticky hooks. These things are awesome. Guys, I absolutely love this scale from Rapala. You should definitely pick one up. I have it linked on my website, by the way. But let's get that weight on her. I'm guessing she's over 3. Yep, it looks like, yeah, about 3.5 or 3.6 pounds on this one. She's a girthy girl. Well, that's a pretty good sized fish for this lake. All right, let's see if we can't get another one. Decided to take it out on the boat after just stomping the shoreline for hours and hours to see if I can't get one, you know, out in the deep areas. They're like, it's been hot, I'm ready to eat. Dude, feel how heavy that is, though. It's strangely heavy. Well, unfortunately, those last couple of fish came on a drop shot and not the AM bait. But I did get quite a few bites on this lure, and I've loved using it. It is an absolute beaut, a fantastic lure for AM anglers. And guys, you should definitely check out his channel and his baits. Guys, thanks so much for watching this episode of Lake Monster Lures. If you enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up. It lets me know that you like this type of video, and maybe we can do some more collaborations. If you have ideas for future videos, go ahead and put them in the comments down below, and head on over to Adam's channel to see how well the lure I made does for him. That will be linked in the description down below. Tight lines, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Look at that.